Hey everyone, welcome again. So we have Eddie here, and today is going to be a super awesome thing. It's uh, it's the EddieHub. We are talking about. AC, I told you I'm not prepared. Eddie, just carry on. So we are
Um,
gonna, yeah, we are going to
Everyone
go
knows
about.
why they're here. They're here for
Yes,
you, Praveen. They know that they're here. No, we're all here for each other, right? Eddie Hub Guild is first. So well done, everyone. And I'll stop talking and pass back to Praveen. But yeah, everyone, well done. It's awesome that you're all here as well.
I'm just gonna get open the chats as well so that it's gonna show up nicely here and cool. So we've got like loads of chat people coming in as well. Good, nice.
Awesome. Yep, slowly growing. It takes a few minutes for people to trickle in. I'm keen to hear how everyone's day went and what people, geeked out on.
Yeah. What happened? How are the so this is the first time I was doing this, and unfortunately I couldn't find like the challenges to start with. I was completely confused for the first 2 days, and the third day onwards I started engaging myself in a best way possible, and boom, I still got only 3 points.
But it's still 3 points, right? Imagine, we have 300 people, for example, in the guild. I don't know how many we have, but say, for example, 300. Each person gets 3 points. That's like, 100 people, 100 guild members, 3 points each. It's 300 points. So it all adds up. So, and you've helped lots of people, and I see lots of other people helping each other. And I think that's the important part. Communication, collaboration first, code second.
100% for sure, for sure. That's super cool. And yeah, as I said you before, like this is awesome because a lot of people are in the live chat as well. So hey folks, and we've got like so many people here: Shinobi, Sushant, Samriddhi Agarwal, Vaidehi Bharatwaj, hey, Sushant Gupta, and Siddharth is also here. Hey, nice to see a lot of people are coming in and open source rocks.
Yes. More people joining still.
Yep.
Let's see if we can beat our peak yesterday. I think not yesterday, day before yesterday, we had, I think, 36 people, I think was the peak we had. Let's see if we can do that again and beat it.
Yay. Yes.
So I hear there was a React challenge today. Well, not React challenge. Someone used Vivi, used React for the first Vivi V, if I remember correctly, is how to pronounce it. Used React for the first time today. What else have other people have done today? What were some of the other challenges people did technology-wise and challenge-wise? I played with battle snakes last night. So someone mentioned to me about battle snakes. Oh my God. I had to close my laptop about 2:00 in the morning because like this is getting too addictive. I wasn't doing much coding, but I was trying to get battle snakes to work with GitHub code spaces, and code spaces is private, so you can't share the link. Trying to do all this clever tunneling. In the end, I did it with NROG, whatever you call it, NROG. But when I had code spaces also doing the port forwarding, it was giving me all sorts of problems because I was trying to do something clever. So in the end, I got it working by turning off the code spaces forwarding and just use NROG, and it worked. I was like, oh my God, this is going to change my life. There goes my weekend. So has anyone else played with that before? I was just first time I heard of it, first time I used it, and I thought it was a great idea.
It's awesome. I've tried once in a hackathon, and yeah, it's just tunneling your local host, and yeah, it's super cool. To be honest,
maybe like after this call, I'll be experiencing that.
Be careful it's a rabbit hole once you start looking at it. I purposely didn't start coding because I knew if I started coding, then that's it. It would be like a week gone, and I'd be down this rabbit hole trying to make the snake better and better and better. I just love it. I think I'm going to be doing a live stream on it where we can compete with the audience. That's my goal for the next couple of weeks, I think.
Yeah, awesome. I'll make sure that I keep in mind all the precautions.
So everyone's really quiet. Who else have we got? People, unmute yourself, turn on your cameras. Let us know what challenges you've done today.
I just checked into a couple of challenges today, but after that, I'm not sure. The painting thing.
Yeah, you are talking about MS Paint Bob Ross. That is one of
Yes,
my
yes, yes.
favorite mini event.
But I don't know what exactly I need to do next, because can someone help me with that, because I'm completely new to this hack day,
Yeah,
and yeah, go on.
definitely. It's like one of the most popular mini event in MLH members, like hackathons, because it's like a kind of a fun thing to do, because what you all need to do is just go on to the jspaint.app, the
Uh-huh.
earlier MS Paint which we used to do, you remember. So
Yeah.
we just need to draw different stuffs with those brushes, those paint brushes, then sketches and all such stuffs, and with respect to the team, like themes which we have been provided, and accordingly we end up, or also one more thing, we follow up the painter Bob Ross himself. So that's the thing, like within that time period we need to complete that painting and submit
Wow.
it eventually. So that is quite interesting to do.
Hey, look who's there here. Eddie.
I know. We're already chatting in the chat. Tahini's here, yes.
Hey
Tahini wanted to
everyone.
join, I think, before, but she had a lot of work on.
Yeah. I mean, this year has been crazy, but I think once again a huge shout out to EddieHub. I
Yeah, great
really haven't had a chance
community.
to take a look, but yeah, I'm still looking forward to find out a chance and participate in it. And yeah, I'm sure you're gonna win. I'm sure on that.
We're racing ahead, right? I think it's like 100 or so points ahead now. Yesterday was 6 or 8 or something.
6. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
We got this.
I just keep looking at the stats all over Twitter and LinkedIn. It's like EddieHub everywhere, and that's gonna make me feel like, okay, I'm just so close.
I think it's like a busy restaurant, right? When you see it, everyone wants to kind of join in and take part.
No, but that's that's kind of achievement. That's not so easy to do. So every time I look at it, I feel so happy that, oh, cool, that's my friend in there. So yeah. Anyways, please continue. I wouldn't just take a lot of time talking. Yeah.
Let's hear from some of the challenges I guess people have done today. I'd be really interested to know, and I'm really glad actually. Pratham has turned their camera off, because every time their camera's on, I swear that blue wall and that light looks like the sunny sky and the sun, and I get really jealous. So I'm glad that their camera's off. Our camera's back on now. I just wants to tease me with this nice sun in the sky. So what challenges have people done? Don't be shy, everyone. What have people done today? We've had one comment, React. What else?
I'm just gonna have a quick look at the challenges to see what all things that I have done. And hey, what is the no light thing?
The no light thing? Oh, what I was just saying a second ago. Yes. So when I look at Pratham's video, if you look when it's small, what? Oh.
No, I was talking
else.
about the what do you call that? It is one of the challenges in.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll shut up.
The exclamation light, no light, not light. What do you call that?
Yep. So would like anyone who would like to explain no light event? Who wants to explain that voluntarily? Anyone attended that live thing over MLH Twitch?
I have no idea. I haven't with it.
All right. No, it's recreate the website. So you might be not watching the actual code of a website, and you might be given a website, and you need to without watching the result, you would like to you'll be given a time period, and you need to code it directly, and only once you can see the result, that is after submitting. So that's the thing. So just just imagine you have you have been given a website, a landing page of a website, and then you need to just write the HTML, CSS code, and then
crazy.
That's the thing.
Can we take a screenshot of it?
We can we directly submit the thing, then the MLHers just play, or yeah, they just like show all the pages on the live stream.
Yeah, that's cool. Then we have this follow any tutorial to build something new. I just checked into it. Then we have cup stacking as well.
Cup stacking.
I'm also
Yeah.
curious about that because when we used to have in-person hackathons, so the MLH coach, brings with them cups, and then we used to stack them one by one and make the tallest pyramid out of it, and whosoever makes the tallest wins that thing. But I'm not sure about how this is gonna take place in this digital environment. But I'm curious about the same, so I'll be attending that thing.
Yeah, I'll be really curious. Let me know how it goes because I do a similar one at event, but it's with spaghetti and marshmallows. And but to do that digitally is quite hard. So I'll be interested to know, how they do the cup stacking one. But I always find that just a quick, funny bit of information with the spaghetti and the marshmallows. So each team gets a pack of spaghetti and a pack of marshmallows. You have to try and get a marshmallow as high as you can without using any sellotape or anything like that. And I always find kids always super, super win or super, super lose. And usually they win. And the ones that lose is because they ate the marshmallows and didn't use it to build something. So that's the only reason why they lose. But they really win because they fail fast, as in they try something, it breaks, then they've got time to fix it. And they really experiment, like they split the marshmallows. There's no rules say you can't, right? Use what you're given, marshmallows and spaghetti. I just love seeing it, how kids really think outside the box and adults are trying to, make it look perfect. It's going to be symmetrical. Whereas kids are like, let's just get a marshmallow as high as possible. I don't care how it looks. And they win. So it's always really interesting. But the cups one, I haven't tried yet. So you have to give me some tips.
Yeah, definitely. Not specifically about like I didn't participate in any MLH member event with respect to the cup stacking event, but I remember in 2019 I attended one of the hackathon where we had this game. So I made a pyramid of around 10 tier, like 10 floors. So that was quite huge, but I was like third because the first place was having the 15 level pyramid using the cups. So that's quite fun because it's not easy to reach that level. The cups gets like it shakes a lot, it falls down, and these all things happen. So it's quite interesting and funny at the same time. So yes, for all the folks joining us new, please introduce yourself, and then we'll be talking about how was your day for experience.
Yeah, that's true. Who hasn't joined the previous two calls? Let's hear a bit from them. Who's new?
On the first time.
Yeah, tell us about, if it's your first time. So I think Rami's unmuted. Tell us about a bit about yourself, what you do, and give yourself a shout
I'm actually
out.
17 years old. I'm a student. I'm from Jordan, from the Middle East.
Jordan, yes.
And
Sorry,
I
I'm
just-
half Jordanian.
Yes. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm from
I'll practice
Jordan.
my Arabic later.
I'm focusing on my programming and high school right now.
Awesome. What sort of technologies are you using?
I'm using Python. I'm like learning and reading books about data analysis and machine learning. Yeah, I've been doing that for like 3 years now, so I'm pretty experienced in it.
Awesome. Who else is new?
If I'm new. Hello.
Hey, so tell us a bit about yourself. What do you do?
Myself, Pratik Borad, and I'm from India. An undergraduate student I'm from Maharashtra, India. I know a bit of game development and app development.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Manish. Currently, I'm pursuing engineering in CSE or cybersecurity. I'm also a front-end developer and UI and UX developer. And now I'm going depth in backend developer things. And I'm learning all that things, and I hope soon I will become a full-stack developer. And thanks to Eddie Jody and Parvin and all these things, guys, they're helping lots of in this community in open source and other things. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for being here. We're winning because of all of you. So I'm actually doing nothing. Okay, yes, I'm in chat and trying to help out a little bit, but I'm actually doing nothing. I haven't got 1 point. You've all of you have got the point and you've been helping each other. It's just been amazing to see that. And just a shout out, okay, a bit of an insight, don't tell anyone, but the shout outs and the hashtag EddieHub you've been doing on socials is allowing me to, I'm speaking to some other people actually today and tomorrow, other companies are potentially sharing with you all more behind the scenes and how you can get more into freelancing and potentially getting you some more swag that I can give away and giveaways and stuff like that. So yeah, keep doing that. So it's great. You're getting points for the guild. You're getting swag from MLH. And I think there's a few things coming in the pipeline because of all the awesome work you've done. So yeah, really, really well done. I cannot say thank you enough.
Thank you.
Who else have we got? Who else is new?
Praveen is new as well.
I'm
Go on,
new too.
Praveen. So who are you, Praveen?
I'm Eddie's friend, the God's friend,
No.
and
Who's Praveen? I don't know Praveen.
Eddie is the guy who brought me into the live streaming scenario, and that's Eddie, and that's the reason he's like so close to me, close to my heart. And thanks, Eddie. Okay, so I'm a full stack JavaScript developer. I'm from Chennai and currently living and working in India, London.
I was like, you were in London yesterday. That was quick.
Right, yeah, so I'm in London right now, and and I work primarily on whatever Eddie hates, so that's going to be React, Node.js, or JavaScript.
I don't hate React. I don't.
No, you love Angular and Vue more than React, right? And you love TypeScript more than React, right?
TypeScript is better than JavaScript, yeah, 100%. But it's kind of
way.
like it. But React, I don't hate React. I just find it's used for the wrong projects. That's why I'm a bit of a pain with it.
Could be. We can think in that way. But I don't see why why TypeScript is better than JavaScript, because I don't see a reason why TypeScript is the language, because other than the IntelliSense, I've got sense, so I don't need another IntelliSense. That's exactly what I was.
I can explain it to you in 1 second. On Hangout, if you can answer me this one question. On Meet, where can you kick people out of the room? I want to kick... I'm just joking. I'm just joking for me. I'm just messing with you. Sorry, carry on.
So yeah, so I mean, like, convince me that I want to go for TypeScript, because I don't think I really like... because see, the main reason why I love JavaScript or PHP, okay, hopefully there are no PHP haters here, right? The reason being, they are all duck type languages. They don't have types, and that's the reason for getting into JavaScript. And I don't want to get into these types and make it too much complicated. I want it to be flexible. So we all love working from home. We all love flexible working arrangements. The same way, I want my code to be flexible as well. So when I define it as the first definition is going to be as a number, later on I want it to be a string. I don't see a problem with it.
You're fired. We'll have a discussion about this another time. Maybe I think this could take up like the whole hour. Just
oh
fighting
my
about
god!
This. Maybe we will have a fight, right? We'll get people who love TypeScript, people who love JavaScript. Let's put them in a virtual room and let's just see where it goes. Maybe it'll be quite funny.
Yeah, that would be cool. Yes, thank you.
Who else is new as well? And then we can go around some of the existing people. Whose first time is it to one of our guild calls? But if no one wants to nominate themselves or say put their hand up and say it's their first time, we can just go back to some of the existing people, hear about some of the challenges they've done today. Let's put a bit of peer pressure on people, get them out of their comfort zone. Praveen, you went last, so why don't you nominate someone and then everyone can nominate someone else and it can just go.
I don't know who is new.
But we think we've gone through the new people. Oh no, someone's just joined. I don't know if they're new or not. But
Sudeep, Karuna, Ishan,
I think everyone's been on a call before. I just say just pick someone. Let's just hear about their hackathon.
One, I think.
You go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, go.
Hi everyone, my name is Yi. I'm in Italy, Turin, Italy, and I'm a freelance web developer and then studying at Northeastern University in Boston. So in terms of challenges today, I basically just recycle a lot of the projects I've done before and just resubmit them. That's kind of my tip for this. Like I just spend an hour and I put the Pomodoro method and I just like submit as much stuff as I can. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing so far. Yeah.
When you say resubmit, is these projects that are you taking the idea of the projects and creating new repos and submitting those, or are you literally submitting projects that you finished a while ago?
Just like, for example, the encryption, password encryption, I've actually done, like there's one library called bcrypt, which is a hashing one. So I just took a code snippet from like the project there and just like, I don't even submit the repo. I just put it on the dev post with the three, how do you call it? The three backticks, and then you do
the
like
backticks, yeah.
The code block, and I just submit it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Do you want to? Is Sadipto new as well?
I have joined this meet earlier. Actually, basically, I was going through it, and I have worked with most of the projects, and you posted this like our celebration and all at what number 1. So like I was working for a while for my college exams and all, so I couldn't revert back. So just in the guild, I would like to congratulate the whole team for all the contribution made, and Eddie as well for guiding us through this pathway.
I love it that everyone's giving me credit. I haven't like guided anybody, so I feel so bad. You've all been guiding each other, and all I did was just create the guild. So, but thank you very much. I really appreciate it. But I like to give credit where credit is due. So yeah, all of you deserve the credit. So I think if that's no one else is new to our calls, then the last person who went was Sadipto. I think you should nominate Sadipto. I think you should nominate someone to tell us about their day.
I'm nominating Saksham if he haven't earlier.
Hello everyone. What I did today, I've just done one challenge. That is that drawing challenge, and just checking in for the points. That's it. Nothing much. I don't know anything. What should I do? That's it.
Hey, Sohini wants to have that chime string that you played, Eddie.
The what? Sorry.
Look at the YouTube chat quickly.
I really miss those funny sounds like chime string. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, but I'm not streaming. You are, so I can't put them on.
No, I can do it. Like I've got a phone and I'll just put it on.
Yeah, I don't know where the files are all on my Windows machine.
Okay.
We'll just have to do it next time. Sorry, Sahini. They were just for your streams, Sahini, to make your stream, super unique. Special. Exactly. Although it was already very special and very unique. Sahini's rejoining and probably to shout at me.
Oh my god, Eddie, you're dead.
I think we should get the conversation going so she doesn't shout at me. Sorry, no sound effects, Sahini.
Yeah, I just wanted to come back just to say that you remembered the sound effects. I mean, wow. Everyone who looked at the stream later on, they were like, hey, what was that? Was that a real life stage show going on? I was like, yeah, we have everything. Doesn't matter if it's virtual or real. And yes, I was just missing that.
Do you remember what the effects were, just to give people a bit of context? I think there was like a ta-da, like something's done, it's successful. Then there was a fail, like I can't remember, like bum bum bum. I can't remember, or something. Then we had like 5 different sound effects, and Sahini was giving a demo of Alexa and so forth. And every time I thought something was going to go good, I'll do the good one. If something was going to go bad, like something broke at one point, I think. And so I played the bad one and then made mistakes all the time. So I got them wrong sometimes.
The best part was, that day, it didn't feel like I was actually delivering something so formal. Because I think learning process should be that simple. So that it should be as much funny and friendly as possible. So yeah.
Thank you so much for reminding me. I forgot all about that. I have to set that up for other live streams as well.
Yes.
You were the guinea pig, and it worked well, so we'll use it more.
Yeah, I appreciate you to do that. And I'm planning to use the same for my streams as well. I would just say I played that music for myself, just to support myself. I'll do that. Yeah. So yeah.
Awesome. The chat's going fast. I'm missing it all.
Yeah, we have like loads and loads of people who are giving me advices on how I can get converted into TypeScript.
Okay, so where were we? I think we were. Sudeep 2 was nominating someone. Oh, no, they did nominate someone.
Okay, we can actually ask Sohini to start. We can nominate Sohini.
Okay. And
You are nominated.
nominated. I haven't yet contributed to this.
You're just like me, Sohini. So go ahead. I was pulled in as well. So go on.
Okay.
It's your chance now.
But what do I talk about? I don't have anything to share regarding this contribution thing. I haven't yet contributed, but
Okay,
yeah.
what about? So I think you mentioned that you've been seeing it on socials and so on. So from the point of view from someone who hasn't contributed yet, but you've seen it from the outside, what does it look like to you? Are we all working hard? Apart from me and Praveen and you, but is everyone else working hard? You know, what is any challenges that you saw in your feed that jumped out, or any words, any keywords, or anything or funny or interesting?
Well, the one thing that I'd say, so in my country, it's India. So when there's a news out there, it's everywhere. It's on LinkedIn, it's on Facebook, it's on Twitter, it's trending. So the one thing that I tell you, Eddie, is you're just one step away from being the trending number one
I wish.
in Twitter.
EddieHub.
You just got to do that. Yeah. Honestly, just ask the rest of them who are with us right now. So that's what you're away from. And I think you're the news now. At the social.
We are the news.
Yeah.
Just want to add to Sohini's point that you have literally been like Brad Pitt or something like that in India. Like everyone knows about you, about your EddieHub and all those things. Yeah, that's what's going on.
That makes my day to hear those sorts of things. I really appreciate it. But like I said, I'm here because I want to amplify all your voices and get your connections. I really see this as like a two-way street in that. I think we can all help each other to grow and do better and learn and support each other.
Definitely.
Sorry,
and also Joshua, who you met recently, he's also in the live chat. I guess it would be nice to pull him inside. So I've just pulled him in.
Joshua, where did I meet? Is it from the chat today on Discord?
No, it is the... Not Joshua Fluke. If he is there, then yeah, that's crazy. No, Joshua Podoku is from the Unpretentious Web. Your surprise meet on my live stream, remember?
Yes.
Why are we so quiet today?
Everyone is. I think people might be quite tired. You're right. We're quite
I'm a person who's never quiet, but the only reason I'm quiet today is I wish I had contributed earlier. I would have been talking more than anyone here right now.
Same thing with me too. Yeah.
Not to worry. We still have like day 5 running, which has already started. Day 6, day 7, they are coming up. So you still got a chance.
Yeah, I will just do that. And the one thing that's coming on my mind right now, I wish that we get a chance to meet in person, all of us, as soon as the pandemic is over. Then this is going to be more real. And yeah.
And we've got people from all around the world, right? So we've got plenty of choice of where to go. We had Italy, we had Jordan.
Yeah. It's kind of
India.
You're welcome to Jordan.
So we're gonna find where the majority of us are based out of, and maybe we can all meet up in there.
Yeah, or in the middle.
That would be India, obviously.
Yeah, I knew that. I just put him on.
So it's a trap for. I guess it's a trap for Eddie Jordy, right?
It's
yeah. I know how to trap them. So I would just I know.
I haven't done India yet, so I haven't done it yet.
You should. I think at least for the food, you should.
Yes. I guess like whenever
in-
the pandemic is over, Eddie is going to spend his next 2 to 3 years in India itself, like having a trip to each and every city over here.
No,
Yeah, I've done.
honestly, have you ever thought about this? That if we, all of us, would have met and we would have hosted an event, how many people would have just been in there? It would have been just a blast. You could have boot camps.
10,000,
You could
10K.
have, yeah, I mean, all of you. Just
Because when Eddie's hosting an event in London, it's gonna be like blast. Literally, a lot of people will come in.
I know,
Always
I know.
limited by space, and London's it's not everyone is there. That's the problem as well. I think that's why virtual works so well. But I was recently in the last year or so in Italy and in Jordan, so I think yes, going to be going to some new places as much as I enjoyed those places. So
Oh, you visited Jordan before?
yeah, I was there last year. I went year before last.
nice.
Now did Amman, Dead Sea, Petra. Like it was awesome.
Oh,
Um,
nice.
It was
I live in
really
Amman.
nice.
Yeah.
We had so much fun. Like it was great. Really good.
Yeah, it's so much fun here.
It is good. So yeah, I haven't done India yet. So yeah, I'm sure that will be. There's lots more events happening. I've noticed. I can see a lot of the Microsoft team, the Google team now heading over there more and doing more events there. So obviously before pandemic. So
I have a feeling that this is gonna get all over by 2022. And I'm also looking forward to the Voice First events. And I think the one most important attraction I have towards the UK is the Voice First community is very much famous in there. We have so much of Alexa and Google actions to do in there. So it's kind of bigger than any of the other countries. It's the UK, then US, then the rest of the countries, like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to just do UK for that, but not Eddie. He needs to come in there.
yeah,
That's
we'll definitely
important.
be chasing the sun. When you come over here, remember to bring a ski jacket and an umbrella.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be hard. I know, but yeah.
So has anyone looked at the challenges for tomorrow to see what interesting is coming up?
Yes, blockchain. No, that's just a thing. Yeah, algorithms practice, but that's at 2 a.m. Our time. But in India, it is 7:30 a.m. We have this cup stacking from right now and even tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. So that's cool. Like, what exactly is that?
Oh, it's going on now, is it?
Yeah, it will be going on in like 7:30 in another 1 hour time.
Okay, I'll have to watch it and see. I think we were talking earlier on about we don't know what this is. Have to do it virtually. So it could be maybe I don't know. They're using like a game engine that a bit like Angry Birds when you kind of
Oh wow, cool.
you stack the caps, and in JS there is also, for example, in the browser there is an engine where it all shakes or something.
Oh,
I don't
wait.
know. It's just
This
me
doesn't-
guessing. I have no idea.
It doesn't look like it has anything related to coding or anything. So cup stacking is a hackathon pastime that lets hackers engage in a fun activity with their friends and fellow hackers in teams of 2. The participants attempt to create the tallest tower of cups stacked on top of each other. Wow, that's
I'm just
crazy.
curious to know like how is this going to be implemented in the virtual, thing.
I guess only pictures will do. That's it.
Or else maybe they might tell us to just collect things from around us and just stack them up one by one and then click a picture and post it. Maybe that can be also
No,
a good option.
Photoshop is not allowed, right?
Yeah, once I remember I was in I was attending one of the mini event in which they told me to make a fish out of the kitchen items. So I brought on some utensils, some plates, and some vessels, and then I just
that's
managed
cool.
managed to make a whale that is blahaj. Eddie might be knowing about that.
I'm just still looking at the chat and trying to catch up. You all talk though. I'll listen.
And yeah.
Praveen, who was last one to speak on this call, apart from us?
I guess it was
Hi.
so Saksham.
So maybe he can nominate like some other person.
Saksham, nominate someone. There is a potato lying around.
Why?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Who's going? Pratham or me?
It's you.
Okay. Hi. How's everyone doing? Today was amazing. I made my first React app. There was a stream that MLH was doing on that, and there was a drawing event. We had to make the mascot, not the mascot, the thing Jack likes, the shark, Blahaj. It's called Blahaj. I drew DigitalOcean Sammy over there instead of that.
That's cool.
And,
I remember. Yeah, go on. Sorry,
I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting as well.
Yeah, YV, you're on mute.
Oh yeah, sorry. I had something going on in the background. So if you look at the chat, you could find one link, one Imgur link. Just open that and see. There has been some. This was a community board where we all everybody was drawing on this board. So other guilds were writing their name.
Cool.
We just wrote EddieHub in the biggest font available over there.
Whoa. Nice. I've got loads of Twitter notifications and LinkedIn notifications, so hopefully I'll see that on one of those. I'm definitely going to retweet that. That's awesome.
This is super cool.
Why do not forget to nominate someone else?
Yeah, let's pull someone else in as well.
I nominate Ankush Singh Gandhi.
Hey, Ankush.
Maybe they fell asleep.
Oh, Ankush, mic is not working. Ankush, do you want to nominate someone else, or should we ask YV? Okay, anyone who hasn't talked before?
I nominate Rami.
Oh, wow. We have a surprise. We have a giftable project for all the EddieHub subscribers. Woohoo! Thanks, Karuna. Karuna, do you want to come and talk something? Awesome. We are waiting. Mic issues again. Sorry, YB. Who did you say?
Rami.
Rami.
Yes, so I worked today on a encryption algorithm for the challenge, and I also did a to-do list with Python, and I used JSON as a database, and that's it.
That was cool.
And what are you looking forward to tomorrow? Anything in particular?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna make like an AI algorithm to using the dataset challenge to recognize like letters, handwriting recognition with the dataset challenge.
Nice.
You're left to nominate. I'm like a reminder to everyone.
Hey, should we actually do a game, like play a game right now, which makes it too interesting, like 10 minutes game or something like that?
I think there's a few people who haven't spoken yet, though, so it would be probably good to hear from them, in my
Yeah,
opinion.
go on.
Anyway.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna nominate you. Yuzu. Yes.
Who's you?
Who's you?
Yuzu. That's
Yeah,
his name. I
I
don't
already
know.
talked, I think. I just forgot to nominate.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who haven't talked? I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Others have mic issues.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but
I
was
think
thinking-
Pratham.
Oh, do we have anyone who built a game? There's
Me.
a weekly challenge, and we can
No.
just play it, and we can submit it. We can submit a screenshot of us playing it.
oh wow.
What game did you build?
Oh, no, I
Take-
didn't build anything. Oh, are you talking to someone else? Okay.
Oh, actually, I tried building a game using React.js, and it was actually what do you call this? An escape room game. It's not yet completely. It's not polished yet, but it does look really nice. Yeah, I'll just send the link over here.
Oh, did you deploy it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
I guess it is deployed. I believe it is deployed. So it's here. A React.js game. Hey, Sid, can you share your screen or something? Like, would you be able to share the screen?
So what should I share?
Oh, I sent you sent that the React game in case if someone is interested to see. Okay, or else we'll just leave it that way. So that's like an hour-long thing. So I'll just send the trailer as well.
Yeah, maybe I can like
You
share
can
the
send it
link in
on
the live
Discord
chat
too,
as
so
well.
you can see it afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the link is there. So yes, that's
Awesome.
Actually,
So
I
who-
have made a game. You know,
Yes, go on.
if you want to try, I can share a link. It's on Play Store.
Wow.
Actually, me and my 2-3 friends have built this game in lockdown, so you can try it.
yeah, that's awesome.
I've shared in chat box.
Thank you. Pong.
I was just waiting to
welcome,
play.
Dennis.
Okay, so we are waiting for someone else to come up now. So who was the last one to share? I guess.
Yezu maybe.
Okay,
Yeah,
maybe
I
Ishan, you can. Yes,
Do I
yes,
need
he
to
was.
nominate?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know.
Anyone?
I nominate you.
Okay, thanks for that. Quite a smart move, but never mind. Yeah, thanks for nominating me, of course. Yes, so like right from morning, I was like quite busy with some of my work, but I definitely tried getting and earning some points. First of all, I did the easy task, sharing on social media, getting people aware about EddieHub. Then I did some crazy stuff. So I didn't remember. I used to like feel funny about me at that moment of time, but I'm not sure that I should say that in live stream. But yeah, moving on. Then I thought of why not see some challenges and do something at least, like in spite of doing nothing. So then I saw the chat in EddieHub channel. People were interacting, communicating, and I saw people were finding some issues. So I thought of why not helping them at the same time. So then I thought of why not give some contribution on the projects itself. I did have few hours left as a free slots. So I thought of, first of all, I joined the team, asked the team members how's it going, like is it anything left I can help with, And then I thought of making demo videos because most of the projects were missing the demo videos. And I heard in live stream that demo videos can make us earn few points. I'm not sure whether it is for member event, but for local hack day build. But why to take chances? I thought of why not make demo videos for each and every projects we have. So then I turned on my OBS, turned on my camera, and asked for the content. And then I started making videos, edited, then uploaded, and then we were good to go. And finally, everyone were able to submit each and every challenges. And one more thing, lastly, I remember I thought of why not earn one more point by going live on YouTube. So I just completed the MS Bobro sprint challenge. So as I wasn't having that much time, so I thought of why not complete the one basic challenge and earn point for our guild. So I did that. I got one more video on my channel in that way as well. And also I explained about, local hack day build, what EddieHub is all about, one of the most inclusive community. And yes, everything about MLH and else. So yeah, that was pretty like short experience of mine for day 4. But yes, I'm pretty excited for day 5 as well, because there's a lot of great challenges coming up our way. And I'm sure everyone will be able to enjoy and collaborate in more better way, because MLH is trying to make it more inclusive day by day. So I will not forget to nominate someone. So I'm nominating, let me check.
Dhriti just joined.
Okay, so I'll go with Dhriti. Thanks, Praveen, for that. Hi, Dhriti. You're on mute, by the way. Yes.
Hello, Siddharth.
Hi there.
Well, actually, I would like someone else to talk now. I think I have just joined, and I don't know what the things were going on. So
we are just talking about what were you been doing for the past 1 or 2 days, and today what was your challenges and what challenges you are planning to do next day, etc.
Well, today we formed teams in our guild, and then we were working on different challenges, the to-do list one, and there were more. And yes, Siddharth also helped us to make video on that.
That's super cool.
Well, I'm enjoying myself in this hackathon, and I think I'm looking forward for more.
Nice. That's what we like to hear. Yes.
And by the way, congratulations, we are on first position.
Yay!
Strong first position now. Yeah. Come on. Well done, everyone.
Yes, like as soon as I read the announcement on MLH server that today the leaderboard will be updated next 10 minutes, I went straight away to the website and started refreshing it like anything. So maybe after this week ends, my refresh button is going to crash. I need to get some new keyboard, especially for my work.
I was doing the same.
We are still just 6 points away from the second thing, so we should keep on doing a lot.
No, probably
we're 100 points.
Yeah, it was yesterday's lead, but today we are more than 100 points
awesome
leading. So that's the great thing. We are
and one thing I would like to mention over here, I saw someone yawning over here. I don't want someone to sleep on live stream, so please don't sleep.
Who was that?
Probably me yawning. It's been a long day. It's been a long week though, right? So, but yeah. I like that calling out. It's not because we're bored or tired. It's because just a bit
the muscles
tired. Yeah.
Actually, I can understand that because in India it's 12:24, and I can totally understand his feelings.
I just washed my face and came here, or else. Or else Eddie would have kicked me out of this meet. That go wash your face.
That's why I have not switched on the camera.
I want to kick Siddharth out for a different reason. So I asked him to share me the score because I was on a client call. I said, look, I can't keep refreshing the page. When it just comes out, I know you're refreshing it. Can you send it to me in DM? because I'm on a client call and I see it pop up. We are in or something like that. And I was like,
Yeah.
notifications. I looked to the left and I saw that we're like 100 ahead. It's like, yes. And my client goes, is there a football match going on or something that you're watching? I'm like, oh no, sorry. I'm just really excited about what you're saying. And I just love it. I couldn't remember what it was. So I've agreed to something. I'm not sure what I've agreed to. I'm obviously very excited to whatever I agreed to. But yeah, I was just so happy to see that. So that was awesome. Really well done, everybody.
Yeah. At the same time, when I saw the score updated, I was like, whom to tell first? Whom to tell first? Then I remembered. Then I remembered Eddie asked me to share. Then I shared with you. Then EddieHub, then MLH channel in EddieHub server, Eddie George server, and then I was like, I should be the first person to tell everyone. So I just framed the message, copy pasted everywhere. Then Twitter, then LinkedIn, everywhere. That yeah, EddieHub rocks. Yes. So enough of me. Yes, Dhriti. So you can share your experience with respect to day 4, and what are the challenges you are looking forward to?
I think day 4 was not so great because my rank dropped down from 37 to 45, I guess. And at first I thought it's 34. So I wrote a message on EddieHub that it's 34. And
I congratulated you. I thought it was 34.
Yeah, Eddie congratulated me for that. But then I got to know that no, it's 47.
But
so,
how do you check the individual
45
ranks?
Actually, someone told me that my rank is 34 today. So I was really happy and I wrote a message that my rank is 34. But then I got to know that when I checked it by myself, I got to know that my rank is 45 actually.
It's okay. You have a few days left still, so you can get to 25, by Sunday. Don't worry.
I wish so.
How do I check the ranks?
I've just shared that link in the chats. So
Siddharth is fast.
I didn't copy paste it.
Is it the same Google Docs? Okay. Oh, okay. This is different. All right.
Yeah.
And by the way, Siddharth was at I think 85, but now he is on rank 42. So congratulations, Siddharth. You made a big difference.
Thank you. Let's hope for the best, and all the 30 members in top 30 would be like EddieHub members. Let's hope for that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I don't want to say my rank.
No worries, Praveen.
It's a 3-digit rank, which is gonna become 4-digit rank if I just leave it like that.
But to be honest, rank doesn't matter at all.
Really?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, it's all about learning and experience and community.
For sure.
Exactly. That's why you're going to get rank number 1 in not just in this hackathon, but just generally speaking. Yeah, if you're in it for the marathon, not the sprint, then you're definitely going to do well. Love that.
For sure. So, Dhriti, whom are you nominating?
I would like to nominate Pratik. I can see Pratik for Pratik. Maybe.
I already spoke. So I will nominate someone else.
Okay, then Saksham.
He just spoke as well.
Same.
Okay, sorry. I joined late, so I don't know who spoke. Siddharth, would you like to nominate someone from my side?
Yep, sure. I'll do that. I'll nominate Ishan, because I guess he isn't doing me today, isn't it, Ishan?
No, it's not like that. So today is a good day for me. I am doing a lot of rest. Okay, I am being busy for my personal works today and not able to contribute a lot, but still solved a few little challenges, just like Siddharth. In this, okay, and right now, I am feeling a great amount of sleep in my eyes. Seriously. Yeah, so I will try to contribute more tomorrow at least. I think so.
Yeah, definitely.
I would like to nominate. Who can I nominate? So, Ghosh, Mr. Ghosh. You have not spoken yet.
I've already talked, I guess.
Okay, so means I am the last one, maybe, guys. Yeah, I am the last batsman of this game. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe like I guess Prathamesh is left, and I'm not sure. Manish, like it's not about introducing ourselves; it's about sharing our experience with respect to day 4. So many of the people have already introduced themselves, but haven't like shared their experience with respect to day 4. So maybe you can come up again. It's not that you are only, need to speak once. It's not totally like that.
Yeah, so it's not a formal conversation, I think so.
Yeah, it's totally an informal. It's coffee time. Come on, we are not in a meeting.
Coffee or water.
Okay.
Yeah, water best.
Manish Somota sir joined just. We can now let them speak.
Hello, Eddie.
Hi.
I created a to-do list app and just shared my experience with the MLH local hack they built. And also I have checked in for blockchain and new resolution projects app.
Nice. No, that's awesome. It's really great that everyone is, really helping each other out in the chat and encouraging each other. I love that. I'm really, really impressed. Actually saying that to one of my clients today. I was like, I'm so impressed with the community. They're patient. They're not interrupting each other. Because when I said, we're going to have a call with yesterday with 30 people, they were like, oh my God, it must be so crazy and loud. I was like, no, everyone's really patient. And, it's really, really great, especially to see people, be a bit nervous on the first call and the second call get a bit more, confident to talk and just call each other out in kind of like a kind of sibling kind of way. I loved it how Dietrich was like Dietrich. I'm pronouncing that so wrong. I'm sorry. Dietrich. Just called out Siddharth, like, oh, you nominated someone. It was just like it's kind of like just friendly banter, and I loved that. And I was explaining it to my client, and they really, really loved how everyone's participating and challenging everyone. And no, thank you. Thank all of you. It's just awesome. Really, really impressive. Really, really.
By the way, Praveen, I would like to ask you one thing. This game is looking awesome. Do you have its code posted somewhere? At least I want to try it.
The code is out there. It's in GitHub, and if you see the description, the GitHub link, the full the full live stream link, everything is available there.
Actually, I'm scrolling and I just got the full workshop link here in the trailer at least.
All right, I'll get the trailer. Okay, you got the trailer link, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah, I got the trailer here.
Yeah, I'll send you the full one.
And how you got all these backgrounds at least?
Which backgrounds, bro? Hey, did you see our current live stream?
Praveen, maybe you are on mute or maybe I am not able to listen.
Really? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you, Praveen.
Yeah. Okay. So, did you see how our current live stream is being streamed right now? Check the link.
That is epic, to be honest.
Thanks to Siddharth and Eddie, they were like constantly bombarding me with ideas, and I was able to do something crazy.
Got 25, I think, thumbs up. So that's cool.
Cool.
Praveen, I will connect with you to ask this thing to make this live stream on our channel as well. It's like to bring you to our channel and us. It's like it really looks cool,
Thanks, man. Can we do one on my channel?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Praveen, you're not showing all the people on the grid though. You're only showing 9 people.
No, I'm not able to do what exactly. Okay, so I'll just click on the people then.
No. Go to Siddharth showed me how to do this. Go to settings and change layout.
Yeah.
And then increase.
Okay. Oh wow.
And then increase it more. Let's get everyone on the live stream. Otherwise, people are going to hear people talking and not realize where are these people.
Yeah. So how about this one? Is this okay?
Yeah.
Waiting for YouTube to catch up.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, this looks perfect now.
That's the maximum possible here.
Yeah, I always go to the maximum. Nice. I'm going to have to go in a few minutes, but I just want to do one last shout out to say thank you to you all for joining this call today and for sharing, and also for welcoming people in the Discord. People always like kind of say thank you to that and say, oh, I just love it when I join your community. It's not about me welcoming everyone, which is why I've stopped doing that, because I love it when everyone else in the community welcomes them, because it shows that it's just natural and not forced. So I saw that today, and I had a few people, again, a few of my clients mention that, and I was just thought, you know what, I got to shout out again and say thank you to you all for just saying, hey, welcome to EddieHub, EddieHub community, or whatever you say. But it just, and then you tag the person that just joined, and they really feel welcome. And I think that's why we've been able to grow, our guild EddieHub so fast and able to do so well, because it's not about how much an individual can code in one day. It's about how we can all achieve together. And I think, communication, collaboration, community is so important with that. And that's what even real world projects are like. It's not, you're not coding 8 hours a day. You're, collaborating with someone in your team. You're going to be planning what you're going to be working on. There's just so much more to it. So this is a great experience for everyone. I think you're all racing way ahead of where I was back then. So I think it's just really amazing. Shout out to all of you.
Woohoo! Yeah, even I've got a quick thing to do. So, and moreover, people are in India. They are at like 12:36 at the moment, midnight, and I really feel very sorry for them. And yes, next time we need to do a meeting like early possible. And yeah, let's see how it goes.
Awesome. But by all means stay. I just need to go. But if you all want to stay, by all means stay and geek out. But I do have to make a note of my dinners on the table.
If you can take it forward, that would be awesome. And even I need to leave in a few seconds.
Sid probably needs to go to bed.
Oh, all right.
Like 1 a.m. or something.
Yeah, I can take myself over to my bed at the moment.
I guess in that case, let's disperse right now. So it was really nice meeting everyone, geeking out with everyone, and we are putting super huge efforts to make EddieHub in the number one, and we are the number one right now. And keep on participating and winning points. And I just saw that my points have just increased from 3 to 11. I don't know when it's gonna become like 60 or 70, because that's the maximum points, I guess. And how I need to also look into how the points are being calculated and stuff like that. So I'm super interested in doing that. So I'll be checking it out right now. And cool. So thanks everyone for coming at this moment. And it's midnight. And yes.
Oh, screenshot before you say bye.
Oh, yes.
It was Prathamesh who kept turning the camera on and off, and that just reminded me. Right, camera's on. Let's do a wave and take a screenshot.
Okay, I need to set the settings as well. And
also, Praveen, maybe you can close the chat so that on live stream itself we can
get
on
the live stream as well. Okay, right, sure.
Yeah, just close the chats of Meet from your screen so that.
But I'm not able to get rid of this. The bottom bar for some reason.
Don't shake your cursor, move your cursor. It will be automatic, or click once on the screen.
No, I tried everything.
Do my hair.
Okay.
I tried everything. It's not going away.
No worries. Maybe it would go away in the full screen mode.
Oh, okay. It's already in full screen mode, and yeah, okay. So cool. Let's take a couple of.
I should get some swag. Wait a second. Let me get my screenshot ready.
Eddie, I'm getting mine as well.
Cool.
Here it is.
Oh my god, I don't have a swag. Okay, maybe I can bring in this. Okay,
I have a swag wardrobe. I could have sent some over to you.
Please, yes, thank you.
Why would we say no?
Exactly.
Okay, everyone who wants to be in the screenshot, have they got their cameras on? Have they done their hair? Are they holding a cup or swag? Oh, I've got some. My Mona's got some competition.
Yeah.
You've got a second one, haven't you? I've got a second one too, but it's over there and I can't reach it.
I should, I guess. Just give me a second.
I've been
was
taking
like-
Give you a
screenshots
second.
like
You'll have
crazy.
to-
I don't know how.
What? Let me get my other one. No, okay. One's enough. For me, one's enough. No, you do
For me as
two.
well.
Do two. No, go on. Do two. That's quite funny. Right,
Oh,
everyone
I
take
wish
screenshots
all
as
my bags
well.
are just near me, but
3, 2, 1. EddieHub.
EddieHub.
Cheese.
say cheese.
Cheese.
Let's do one more just in case I blinked and my hair wasn't looking right. I actually did a haircut. Right, ready? One more. I'll do a thumbs up like Praveen. Okay.
Yes.
3.
Maybe you can lift your cup or water bottle as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you see the GitHub in it.
Bottle.
I'm not sure
Okay.
if you are able to see, but this is but never mind.
3, 2, 1. Awesome, everyone. I'll share those in Discord. That was brilliant.
I've got like 50 screenshots so far, so I'll just dump it in on the Discord
pick-
channel.
Yeah,
You
pick
might
the
have
best
got
one or
some-
two.
Picked up
Yeah,
five,
you might have got
picked
some weird faces now.
five. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Just share the good ones. Of
Yeah,
the ones that are good
yes,
of me,
that was
you know.
cool.
You all look good all the time, so that's fine. Everyone have a great, wherever you are in the world, morning, day, evening, and we will catch you on Discord soon, I'm sure. Geeking out, and well done, everyone.
Hello,
Yeah.
Eddie. I guess you missed the message from chat box.
Oh, did I? Sorry. What did I miss? Yeah, can you read it out? I probably have missed
Okay,
it.
I'll also check the live streaming chat box. No, nothing.
I will again type it. Just wait.
Okay, are you typing it in the live stream or the Hangout or the Meets?
Oh no, it's there. From
Where?
Pratik. I'm following your instruction
Oh, yes.
to open source. Thank you for all of you are doing.
You're welcome. Thank you for the awesome feedback. Sorry, my scroll wasn't lower down enough. So that's why I didn't see it. It got stuck.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And, you know, everyone's support gives me energy and motivation to do more. It helps me kind of get higher paying clients, which allows me to work less and then spend more time with the community. So it's kind of this like awesome cycle that I'm just trying to, you know, work on and so forth. So, you know, thank you everyone for the shout outs here, the shout outs on socials. I really appreciate it. And I hope and plan to do more for the community. So, yeah, let's see what we can do. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Hey, YB, I guess we had a live stream waiting music. Yes, we did have one. So that waiting music will be going on right now as well. So have a nice day, everyone, and stay safe, stay cool. See you then. Bye.
Yeah, happy hacking, everyone.
Happy hacking.
Bye bye.
Happy hacking.